I'm Dr. Sneha Makija Shah. I'm an ophthalmologist and cornea specialist based in Mumbai, and this is a day in my life. Ophthalmologists are eye doctors or eye surgeons. We treat everything from blurred vision to corneal transplant. 9:30 मैं clinic पहुंच जाती हूँ. We start seeing OPD consultations. उसके बाद I go to the OT. Routinely we do cataract surgeries. On some days I have my cornea surgeries as well. The most common patients we see are the ones who come in routinely for spectacle checking, and they range all the way to corneal infections. We also see emergency patients where they come in with retinal artery or vein occlusion, eye injuries, or very severe swelling also. The most interesting ones to me are the ones who present with infection, because each case is very different from the other and it's very challenging as well. So I spend about 4 to 6 hours a day seeing patients, 1 to 1.5 hours operating and doing surgeries. शाम को I log in for a US-based health tech company where I design calculators for eye care professionals. It's safe to say that I juggle a fair bit. When I joined MBBS, I also discovered my creative side. College के art festivals में मैं participate करती थी, and I realized that I really like doing small, intricate, detailed work. So ophthalmology is also very similar to that. It's like doing art inside the smallest space possible. Eventually, specializing in cornea also perfectly fit my forte, and I really love doing it. So now that we are done with the consultations at this clinic, we are now off to Ulve, where we have our peripheral OPD. Let's go. जनरली कोई भी एस्पायरिंग ऑप्थेमोलॉजिस्ट MBBS के बाद MS ऑफ्थैल या DNB करते हैं. इसके बाद दे सिलेक्ट अ सब स्पेशलिटी ऑफ देयर इंटरेस्ट, जैसे कि कॉर्निया, रेटिना, ग्लोकोमा, एंड इसमें फेलोशिप किया जाता है. मैंने मेरा मेडिकल जर्नी स्टार्ट किया 2009 में गुजरात में. आई डिड माई MBBS. उसके बाद आई डिड माई पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन देयर. उसके बाद आई केम टू मुंबई फॉर माई सेकेंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. I then did my long-term cornea fellowship, and I also further subspecialized in ocular surface diseases. Simultaneously, I also cleared my FICO, which is a UK-based accreditation. It's a 4-step exam recognized by International Council of Ophthalmology. During my time at all of these hospitals, I realized that the doctors and the admin had a very weak link between them in most of the places. So मुझे realize हुआ कि doctors should also be involved in the administration. So I went ahead and I did an MBA in hospital and healthcare services from BITS Pilani. To succeed in this career, you need exceptional people skills. When you're breaking a bad news to someone, especially about their eyesight, some people can take it quite sensitively. Also, your own mood should not be reflected when you're seeing these patients. So you have to be 100% present in the clinic. And yeah, one more thing, your own binocular vision is very important, because without that, depth perception in the microscope is very difficult, and koi bhi eye ka surgery karna becomes a little difficult. Also, your hand-eye foot coordination should be very good. One quick tip for you is that if you want, you can take your non-dominant hand and you can start exercising. You can maybe brush every day with it, try writing with it. That muscle memory that you develop really helps in the long run. Now let's talk about how much you can really make practicing as an eye doctor in India. It depends on multiple factors. If you're someone who's finished your post-graduation and is fresh out of training, you can make anywhere between 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If you have further subspecialized in cornea, retina, oculoplasty, or any specialty of your choice, and you practice in a metro city or a private setup, you can make anywhere between 1.5 to 2 lakhs a month. If you own your own private clinic and you have a well-equipped OPD, you can make anywhere between 3 lakhs to even 15 lakhs depending on how many surgeries you do, where you're located, which city, which area, and what kind of population you're catering to. Also, one important thing to remember when you're dealing with patients is that trust is not going to come when the patient walks in for the first time. Trust starts to develop only after you start showing an outcome or real results to the patient. If you like precision, patience, and people, this can be a very fulfilling career option for you. But also remember, as doctors, you need to keep yourself updated with the latest knowledge. We usually attend a lot of medical conferences and CMEs where the experts discuss rare cases and latest technologies, and that can help you upskill yourself. लेकिन याद रखना, more than the number of machines you have in your OPD or the latest technology that you include in your setup, what's more important is how you speak to your patients and how you treat them.
Ma'am, OT is ready.
Yes, I'm coming. Okay, I have to go get ready for an operation now. I'll see you. Lastly, I'd like to remind everyone, अगर आपको कोई भी eye problem है, please visit a trained eye doctor. Please do not self-prescribe and do not self-medicate. Everything said and done, a career as an eye surgeon is financially and emotionally rewarding. So best of luck. Feel free to drop your questions and comments down below, and do subscribe to Indeed India for more such videos.